Cam, it's Zord time!
They're on their way.
Now, if I can only figure out what that mystery piece does.
Storm Megazord! Thunder Megazord! Things are about to get a bit sticky for you, Rangers! Any ideas?
Yeah! On it!
Glad I took those spinning classes!
Gotta do something.
Tori, you know the drill!
Oh, yeah.
Fire! Bring it on!
No way!
That's it! Guys, that part I was telling you about, I figured out what it does. Check this out.
Thanks, Cam, but how about filling us in on the big secret?
Yeah!
The only way you're gonna beat Jubo is to combine your Megazords.
Huh? Whoa, no way!
How, Cam?
Called the Mini Zord. He was part of the program all along.
The Mini Zord?
Just trust me.
It will be good to see the powers of wind and thunder working together.
You guys up for this? What do you think, bro?
Let's do it!
Yeah, I rule! You guys ready? Let's do it! Locked and dropped!
I am Mini Zord. Storm Megazord, Thunder Megazord, combined.
All right!
Thunderstorm Megazord formation.
Thunderstorm Megazord! Hee-yah!
Yeah!
How do you like us now? The bigger you are, the harder you'll fall! Ah! You broke my stick!
Don't cry.
Your mommy will buy you a new one.
Ready, Hunter?
Ready!
Oh, so that's the way it's gonna be! This thing rocks!
No doubt!
That was a lucky shot! Okay, now what?
Use the Lion Blaster. It will be your best defense.
Well, if you say so. Let's do it, guys! Lion Blaster, activate! You always have to win, don't you? You can't just let me have one.